Writing for a journal? Here's how Make Academic within Paperpal can help. Start by accessing Paperpal's Rewrite feature from the right-hand side pane and choose the Make Academic mode. Select the sentence or paragraph you want to refine and hit Generate. Paperpal rewrites your text in formal, academic English, improving tone and precision while keeping your original meaning fully intact. Compare the original and improved version side by side before making any changes, or even toggle between different modes to find the version that works best for you. If the first output isn't quite right, you can always edit the output or hit retry for another variation. You stay in control of which version fits your writing. Once you're happy, click Replace and it goes directly into your manuscript. You can also access Make Academic from the inline commands. Simply select your text, click Paperpal AI, and choose Make Academic from the menu. Same options, same control, without ever leaving your writing flow. Sound as rigorous as your research. Try Make Academic on Paperpal today.